What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Magegee 60% portable keyboard from Temu. It was $28, but it was on sale for $20. Let's get this open. First thing, we've got a bag of extra colored keycaps. A USB Type-C cord, and a keyboard cap puller. The keyboard on itself. So let me go ahead and get rid of this box. Okay, so it sounds pretty good. This isn't the color that I ordered, but I don't know, it feels nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in with the USB Type-C cord. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's so you guys can see a little bit of the screen. We have the mouse right here. I got this on Temu as well for $5. Pretty cheap. Key to go into builds. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap the keyboards. I'll take a picture of it and I'll post that as well so you guys can see it with the orange keycaps.